Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make resin gummy bears. Prepare your workspace with ventilation and layered protection, then lay out molds, pigments, measuring syringes, and tools. Always wear gloves and safety glasses and follow resin manufacturer mixing ratios exactly. Mix small portions to test color and cure time first. Keep a timer nearby and plan each pour step so you stay organized and calm throughout the project. Measure resin and hardener precisely and stir slowly to reduce trapped air, taking care to scrape the container sides. Add pigments or mica powders a little at a time until you reach the desired translucence or opacity. Pour small test drops to confirm color and cure before filling the gummy bear mold completely. Use a toothpick for fine color placement and a gentle heat pass to remove remaining bubbles quickly and safely. After pouring, let your resin sit undisturbed until it's tack-free or fully cured as recommended for your type of resin. For UV resin, use a consistent light source and rotate molds to ensure even exposure. When demolding, bend the silicone gently and push from the back to release tiny gummy shapes without distortion. If edges need work, sand lightly with fine grit and polish for a smooth, glass-like finish before sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.